everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. In recent years, disasters seem to happen very often. Earthquakes, plagues, droughts and floods, these show a world reality we don't normally see, how impermanent destiny is. How small and fragile life is, how much love and attachment we have for our loved ones. How important is solidarity and mutual cooperation among others. We all have to see this rare reality. As many as 33 million of a population of 220 million have been affected in a disaster blamed on climate change that has left hundreds of thousands homeless and caused losses of at least $10 billion. The death toll now stands at 1,343 from the floods, which were brought by record monsoon rains and glacier melt in Pakistan's northern mountains. A magnitude 6.6 or 6.8 earthquake struck Luding County in Sichuan Province, China on September 5, 2022 at 12:52 local time. Epicenter was located 226 kilometers (140 miles) from Chengdu. 82 people died, more than 270 were injured and 35 remained missing. More than 13,000 homes and other infrastructures were damaged or destroyed. Typhoon Hinnamnor has hit South Korea, bringing record winds and rainfall of up to 24 inches. Pohang was particularly hard hit by the typhoon. Severe flooding in Chemnitz, Germany. Flooding in Hoi Quang, Bangkok, Thailand. Thank you so much for watching and see you in our next video.